We'll go through how to manage users on the web platform. Users are people who are handling deliveries, such as mailroom staff, receptionists, concierges, or others. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to add and how to edit or delete users. Let's start by looking at how to add a user. From your dashboard, click Settings and click Mailroom Users. Select Invite User. Type in the user's email, first name, and last name. Next, you can specify the user type. All user types can log parcels in and out. Normal users, admins, and owners will be able to view parcel history and view and edit recipients. Admins and owners will be able to edit notifications, site access, manage users, and toggle features. Owners have the highest level of access. They have access to all sites by default. Users can only switch sites if they have access to them. This access is set via web platform. You can also specify the buildings a user can access. This will be the building the user will be working in. The user will receive an email with a link to set up their account. Next, let's see how to edit and delete an existing user. To edit, hover over their name and click Open. Now you can edit all their information. For example, we'll change their building access. Parcel Tracker automatically saves the changes. To delete a user, select the three dots in the top right corner and click Delete. Now you know how to add, edit, and delete users. For more tutorials, check out our tutorials playlist. We also have videos on how to set up your account for your specific use case.